What is up, geocachers? This is Keats94 and welcome to Abbotsford, British Columbia. Behind me is a golden tree. It's a particularly interesting point of interest in Abbotsford. Today is the Fraser Valley Cache Bash. So come along with me, we're gonna find some awesome geocaches that were just released today, so stay tuned. Okay folks, we are in Abbotsford again, walking down the trail here. This is called the Discovery Trail, and this is part of the Fraser Valley Cache Bash. We are going for a multi-cache final, so we're not going to give away this particular location, but it is in this general vicinity. Really awesome little trail system that's in Abbotsford over here. Do check it out. This is called the Discovery Trail. So Abbotsford will be home to Geo Woodstock next year, and it'll be a good party, it'll be good times, and hopefully the coronavirus situation will be pretty much null and void by that point. Fingers crossed, people will be vaccinated. Ah, we found it! Sasquatch! Yoo-hoo! Don't worry, the other half of the bison tube is in our possession. We're gonna put it back. Folks, welcome to Gardner Park in Abbotsford, British Columbia. We just found a geocache, and it is part of the Fraser Valley Cache Bash that we are doing today. We are in the process of trying to find a final location. So each of these caches have a certain color of container, and so as a result, we have to go out and we have to find out what that means. Come along with us, we're gonna see if we can find another one here. There's a whole bunch in this valley. OMG, it's a jackalope. Aha. Da-na-na-na.
Oh,
Check out this cool letterbox.
it's a flashlight.
It's a flashlight. Raptors no letterbox. All right, we're gonna put this thing back in where it rightfully belongs. Folks, welcome to Jackman Wetlands in Langley, British Columbia. We are doing another multi-cache final. We're not going to give away the location exactly, but it is somewhere in Jackman Wetlands Park. Behind me, you'll see some fields. You'll see lots of these in the Fraser Valley, and power lines, and maybe a birdhouse. And right now we're looking for the cache, so see if we find it. It's a furry trout, hooray! I have a question for all you viewers out there. What is your opinion of multi-caches? Do you like them? Do you kind of think that they're a bit of a, I don't know, they take up a lot of time? Do you prefer Adventure Labs over multi-caches? I'm just curious, like, I mean, we're doing a whole bunch of multi-cache finals, which meant that we had to obtain information. So now we're basically finding them like traditionals, but there's a lot of work involved. I personally quite like multi-caches, and I don't think that multi-caches receive as much love as they should. But there are some multi-caches out there. You have to go to stage after stage after stage. So I can see why those things don't get found very often. But right now, we're just kind of going about, we did all the hard work beforehand, so it just feels like we're just doing a bunch of traditional caches in this area, which is great. But I'm just curious what you all think. So folks, we're looking for a particular cache right now that is kind of what we've been working at for the whole day. It's somewhere in Abbotsford. We're not going to tell you exactly where it is, but it is in this ravine somewhere. And I don't know, I mean, we just haven't found it yet. We just have not found the cache. I'm gonna take a look maybe more at this bridge that's just down the trail here. We'll see what we can do. I have no idea where this thing is. Shout out to Brylang for creating a very interesting series. It's an awesome series. We can't find this cache. I don't know where it is, but I guess we'll just have to keep searching. Oh, yes, we found it, folks.
Boom.
Boom.
The sign in.
The sign in. Everything's good. We're not going to tell you what the name of this cache is because it is a pretty important final associated with the series that we were working on. But you know what? It is a fantastic series. Come out to Abbotsford. You will not be disappointed. This is the land of the Fraser Valley Cache Bash, where we will find a few more. Folks, welcome to the Claiborne neighborhood of Abbotsford. We are currently on the trail to another geocache. I have no idea where this cache is. Shout out to Land Monkey for hiding this awesome letterbox cache. Just gonna be really careful about giving away the location too much. Of course, you're probably wondering, hey, yeah, there's a field behind you. You could probably use that as a thing. So anyway, I'm just gonna show you this container and maybe just a close-up and come out and find it in Langley, British Columbia. This goes with it, and it was hidden in a very nice little spot. Letterbox hybrids are awesome. They're very fun little caches. Takes you on more of a directions-based treasure hunt, and really worth it. Worth the extra effort. Very fun. Check out this. Nicely done. Geocachers, thanks for watching another episode of Keats94’s Geocaching Adventures. We are right now in Langley, British Columbia. We found a lot of geocaches in the Fraser Valley Cache Bash today. There is still more to find. It is an awesome event held every year in the Fraser Valley, basically from the Surrey border all the way out to Hope and even the Fraser Canyon. So do check out the Fraser Valley Cache Bash. Next year, Abbotsford will be home to Geo Woodstock 18. So this will be a worldwide event. People are going to come from all over the world and they're going to descend on Abbotsford. It's going to be a good time. Sign yourself up. The icon is near the Abbotsford airport. Yeah, there's going to be some awesome times next year. Hopefully coronavirus will be less so. There's going to be some really good adventures to come. And I have a feeling that this year and years to come will look better than the previous years that we've had. So take care, folks. Stay safe and happy caching.